Guys, this is all I use when I do interior cleaning. Is this 1.5 gallon, 2 horsepower, hyper tough, wet or dry vac. This is all I use. Let's share with you guys. You don't need no real big fancy vacuum cleaner to do interior detailing. So I only paid $25 for this one at Walmart. So anyway, I'm using it right now on this ride on the Nissan Altima. So yeah, I'll go ahead and hit the interior. I already started some here. Thought I'd share a video with you guys. This is all I use. Some people paying $100 and $200 for vacuum cleaners out there. I don't think there's no need, man. I only paid $25 for this one. So let's hit it, man. All right, here we go. I don't even have to take the mats out of this car. I just vacuum it with the mats in here. The reason why I do that because the carpet underneath the mat is clean anyway. Yeah. And this thing is powerful too. It's very strong, guys. This will help bring up the nap also in your mat. And I got a mat that goes on top of this mat. Yeah. Show you guys. This is all I use, pretty much, is this. Take this off. Yeah. That's pretty much all I use as far as vacuum cleaner. Yeah. Due to the cracks and crevices. Yeah. Do the seats. See that, y'all? This is all I use for doing the interior detailing. That goes for my customer cars or anybody. Yeah. Get the job done pretty fast as well. Alright. Check this out. This thing's strong, look at this. Very powerful. I'm gonna share that with y'all. How I do. Check that out. Watch this. Also hit the seats too at times. Check that out. Share that, man. That's pretty much all I use for detailing. This is hyper tough right here. All I use 1.5 gallon. It's on my Nissan Altima. I'll hit y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.